Hi traders, this is Daily Market Review and today we'll talk about copper, gas and platinum. So you may watch the video about Euro, Brent, Gold, Silver, Great Britain Pound, Japanese Yen. Go through my videos and you'll find many trading ideas. Right now we have around 5-7 minutes to talk about gas, platinum and copper. Why? Because technically they are showing us some beautiful trading opportunities. For copper, I told you that this area is a good resistance, 3.5740, but after they break it, they may test 366, and it's still like that. But what I like right now about copper, you can see they're testing the trend line. There was an upgoing tendency on 1-hour chart. Upgoing tendency, you can check this tendency on your chart, and after they break it, price goes and gives a retest. So right now price is giving us retest, and there are some traders who will be like, oh, I should sell. Yes, this is a good moment to sell, but I want to remind you about this area, 366. So what I'm waiting for, I think that copper may stay in a little range. In the beginning of this week, they'll be like going down to 349.80, 348, but after that they will give a rebound and go up to 366. After they hit 366, which is a beautiful technical resistance, they will give you a good entry point for big short positions. Big, I mean, it will be fast and it will give you a huge profit if they give a rebound over here. It doesn't mean that they will go up for 100%. No, it doesn't mean like that. That I'm not sure that right now they're giving us a good sell signal. Let's go on weekly chart. On weekly chart, I told you that here is a 200 moving average and it's really fair for them to test it. So price is testing this 200 moving average as a resistance, but still they may test this resistance 366. It may happen. On monthly chart, there is no buy or sell signal and our support and our target still goes to 292. It's still possible that copper will go down to 292. It's not something like 100%, but it may happen. And if there is no strong buy signal, we should expect that price will go over here. I can't tell you when, in September, in October, or tomorrow. I can't tell you, but this is the technical resistance and technical support that I'm trying to show you. Technical resistance is 366 and support is around 292. If we go to daily chart, there is no sell signal, so you can't sell and wait for 292. It's still possible that price will hit this 366 because there is no sell signal on daily chart. On 4-hour chart, okay, they were testing 200 moving average, but this is the second time they are trying to test this resistance. So what I'm telling you about, you should be aware that price will go down over here, for example 350. For example, I'm not telling you some price that will be for sure. After that they give you a rebound and hit this resistance 366. So you open 30-minute chart, please. Take into account some shadows on the bottom side and some support levels, maybe 353, maybe 350, and after they test it, you should be ready to buy. So I don't believe that they're ready to go down. I still believe they will hit 366. I can't help you with entry point right now, but I'm giving you general idea that market is still not ready to go down. There is still no signal to sell and resistance 366. For platinum, current price 929. On weekly chart, they may go up to 1000. It may happen. I can't tell you that it won't happen, but support is still around 780, 780 and 680. It's still like that. It's still possible that they will hit even 1000, after that give us a rebound and go down. So you can't say that this is a beautiful entry point to sell platinum, or a beautiful entry point will be like 970. No, there is no signal right now, so I can't help you with trading idea right now. What we discussed with you, that we have 940 area as an entry point. Do you remember that? If you go through my videos, you will find trading idea to sell from 940. They kicked 940 and gave us a rebound down to 916. After that, went up again. So I gave you the perfect entry point. It didn't become a sell signal right now, but it still may become a good sell signal. So around this area in future day or 2 days, we may get a good sell signal. We may get it. Doesn't mean that we'll get it. On 1 hour chart, they hit this level and go down. So they didn't break any trend line or Shimoku cloud, anything. So you got to be ready that over here they may show you good sell signal, but it's not something like you should sell right now. No, I don't believe that it's like that. But I'm not buying right now. I'm waiting for short positions. I'm waiting to sell platinum. Even if I'm not right, I know that technically they still may test 780 and 680. I can't tell you when it happens. But on daily chart, until price is being under Ishimoku cloud, I can't buy. They're still in downtrend. I can't buy right now. I wish I would do that. But there is no sell signal, no buy signal. I'm only trying to guess. And until we are trying to guess, we should wait and stay away from the market until we don't get a good trading signal. On guess idea, I told you that we were in a range since 2009. We were in a huge range. It was 1,600 and 5,100. That was our range. And right now, I think that we're going to wait for a new range. And our support goes down to 5,000. Our resistance goes up to 10,000. Due to some political changes, we should wait for a new wave of prices. And telling you wave, I mean that we'll get a new range. So this is our new range, I believe that. So I'm not making forecasts for price to go up to 14th, for example, but I believe they may stay in this new range in future months. On weekly chart, there is no good trading signal. Honestly, there is nothing like I can use for as a trader. On daily chart, there are some people who say that we should sell. There are some people who said that we should buy for 100%. That I can tell you for 100% that nobody knows what to do because the political situation is changing price, not something that we can predict. The political changes make changes for price. If technically we could get a signal, that would be good, but right now we don't get technical signal to trade. What I can tell you is that support around 740, yes, it's still a good support, but I don't feel like I'm going to trade it. What I told you about this 4-hour range. We use something like this kind of range. And this is something that we can try to trade. We can try, but it's not 100% idea. We're still, like testing this idea. Look, this is RSI, and you can say that this is a range right now. So RSI is on its way to 30 area. And under 8,000, you may sell with the target 7,020. Under 8,000, you may sell with the target 7,020. Why? Because this is the middle of this range. This is the middle part of this range. And until RSI is on its way to 30 area, you may sell. You don't use trend lines right now. Because, well, yeah, we could use that, like, okay, this is a trend line, but what it gives us? When we see range, we don't use trend lines because they are weak and they don't give you 100% trading idea. Usually it's like that. Sometimes it may work, but mostly it doesn't work. So I'm just telling you my experience, nothing else. Only trading idea that I have right now for our chart is that you sell under 8,000 with the target 7,029, 7,020. I hope it will help you to earn money, guys. Press thumbs up under the video and go through my other videos about gold, about Brent, about euro dollar and others. I wish you profits. Stay with me. Bye bye.